Take a look at this 1971 Ford Mustang Boss 351, and this is the real deal. It is an R code, so it's a 351 high output, V8 underneath that hood, as well as power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped car, fun to drive, easy to take down the road. Paint is beautiful on this car. As you can see, the flat black hood, flat black hockey stripes. The red has a beautiful luster to it. Take a look at how straight this car is too. Nothing to hide on this one. You can check out the undersides too. Underside looks phenomenal. This car was originally delivered in Mississippi according to the Marty Report. Marty Report does confirm that it is a true Boss 351. Anyway, the undersides, take a look at those still pictures that we've provided online of the engine bay, interior, underside. You'll see how solid this car is. That can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. So uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at this. This would have came, got the seatbelt hanging down a little bit there. Interior would have been the black vinyl, so it does have the correct interior. There's your 4-speed on the floor. All the gauge pods, radio and everything appear to work on this one. Again, take a look down the side, see how straight that is. Beautiful car. Gotta love the looks of these from the rear, especially those louvers on the rear window. Very nice looking sports roof car. Car has 391 rear gears in it. Does have the traction lock rear end. That's what it came from Ford. Slip around here so you can see the driver's side. Take a look at how nice this interior is. Door cards, seats. Check out the headliner. All very nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. No crazy sort of cam or exhaust or anything like that. Just what you'd expect out of a nice 71 Boss 351. Fires up, starts very easily. Tachometer works, fuel gauge works. Gauge cluster, obviously they work. Temp gauge would come up. AM, FM radio. Very nice running sounding car. Flip around to the back so you hear that rumble out of that 351. So if you're looking for a beautiful Mustang, feel free to give us a call on this one. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Like I said earlier, feel free to check out those still pictures, underside, engine bay, trunk, what have you, at uniqueclassiccars.com.